This is my second attempt at making an instructional video on how to actually do art projects with your kids. Alright, this is a recycled canvas. One of my students abandoned this beautiful work of art and I'm going to paint over it. I know, it's not sad though. They just left this for years in my classroom. Alright, good enough is great. We're taking a little social distancing walk before we nap. Then I'm going to set up the art activity. Okay, so we played for a long time. I put down a box from Target, like a big shipping box. I laid the canvas on top of it, and I took out some old cars that we weren't super attached to. So if they don't get totally clean, it's no problem. And I used Sax Versa, this like super neon. I've seen all these mommy bloggers using neon paint, so I really wanted to try it. So I did. We stuck with warm colors so that they didn't turn doo-doo brown, and I'm thinking tomorrow we can let it dry and then add blue and yellow and green, and it'll be extra awesome. And then we can hang it in our living room like an abstract work of art or something. You gotta sit down, yeah. Okay, Pearson, you try.
Of course I am.
Of course you are. Okay, send him down the ramp. Whoa, he went forwards and backwards. Okay, less on the sidewalk, more on the canvas. You can do it, Pearson. Whoa!
You're messy.
You're not all messy. It's just a little bit on your hand. Wipe it on your... There you go. Perfect. It's okay. You can share. Look, I'm going to do this one. Ready? Woo! Ooh, I did a curved line. Did you see that? Whoa. Okay. I like that. Good.
And look, we can even do...
That's right. Come refill. This looks just cool. Ooh. We're making patterns. This cement mixer truck makes a really cool pattern. Oops, bonk. Okay, a little more. Ooh, that's enough. Good. Good job.
Out in
I'm
email,
on a
it was
Zoom
pretty
call.
lengthy. It had a ton of information in it.
Okay, so this worked pretty good.
He's a little cranky.
Are you sad it's over? So I would give this 5 stars. I put smocks on the kids so they didn't get super messy, and we did it outside when the weather was nice. I think we'll do it again. We'll do it again tomorrow. They left me alone to start a conference call. So I wasn't completely able to work and let them play, but more or less they enjoyed themselves for a solid 15 minutes. And really anything that keeps my kids occupied for 15 minutes is an A+ for me. I think I might go lie down. Okay. You doing it? I'm gonna roll it in here and then go. Hey, that looks pretty cool.